Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I want to go over a few things with you first. Remember that all books have to be quarantined this year, and so right behind me I've put a new cart out. The other one was a bit bulky and kind of in the way. So this one we have is a blue cart, and you'll see on the sides there, that it is separated by letters and numbers. So on the spine label, if your book has letters, it will go on the left-hand side, so left. And if it has numbers, it'll go on the right-hand side. And that'll just make it easier for me when it is time to put books up. The other section that I wanted to make you aware of is the section right behind me. So if you are reading one of this year's Lone Star books, then this is where they will be on the red and white paper. And if you're looking for graphic novels, they're over in the far right-hand corner where the black paper is, and it says graphic novels. So if you're searching for a book and it comes up with the call number that says 741.5, then those are all of our graphic novels or comic books, and those are in the front. So sometimes if you go to the shelf and you can't find stuff, it's because they're up here in our special section. So you might check up there as well. And now on with our book talk. So today I'm sharing with you, you may not tie an alligator to a fire hydrant. So this one is actually a non-fiction book, but I thought it was kind of interesting. So this one is a collection of 101 really dumb laws. So these are federal laws, city laws, state laws, and they take place all across America. So this is a book that was compiled by two high school seniors who were interested in law. And so they started kind of researching the different laws out there. So some of these will possibly astonish you. They may outrage you, but they will certainly make you laugh. So like I said, again, these are some crazy laws. So when you read this one, you will learn that forgetting to close your gate is against the law in Nevada. And flying a kite is illegal in Illinois. And shaking your carpets out to get all those crumbs and stuff off is strictly forbidden in the street in Massachusetts. They consider that a form of littering. And you may not have cut your arm off to try to make somebody feel sorry for you, but if you live in Alabama, that too is against the law. So to find out what other crazy laws there are out there, check out this book. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.